So one of the features I really like with the XTOOL is that you just need a USB-C cable and you could charge it. You can see it's kind of like a cell phone. It has its own built-in battery. Now before we get started, we're going to update it. By just pressing the update button here, it downloads all the files and updates it automatically. Okay, got the XTOOL turned on. As you can see, we're inside a Range Rover. And normally with these luxury brands, you have to go to the dealership for everything. But let's see what we can do with this. Start the auto scan. I just got it plugged into the OBD2 down there, and so it automatically got the VIN of the vehicle and the full build. That's amazing. So let's go OK. Now let's do automatic scan. So this is going to scan all the modules in the vehicle. Okay, so it's giving us some warnings. Let's take a look at them. Looks like these are stored codes. Historic, it says permanent NOx excess. No check engine light on, but it just must be codes that have in the system that are still there. I'm gonna say these are all from just it's been pretty cold here lately, so probably the battery is low. Yeah, actually battery voltage is a bit low, so that's probably what's setting those off. Let's go clear all DTCs. Perfect. Everything looks good. Now I did do an oil change on here and I wasn't able to reset the service minder. So let's see if we could do it with this. Special function. Okay, so to reset the maintenance light on your Range Rover, I'll show you how to do it manually. So just go back to auto reset, go to Land Rover, focus. Then I went to manual selection. And then I went to new Range Rover Sport 2017, 2022, and then maintenance reset. You just press that and then it'll do it for you, which is amazing. One thing really nice too in here, I'll show you, is an amazing feature, is that you could also do DPF regen. You can force it to do a regen, which is great because my Range Rover is a diesel. And if you're not doing long trips, you may want to do this once in a while just to keep the DPF clean. And force regen, which is quite amazing. I can't believe this little tool can do that.